Hey guys, I'm Haspa with WTI.
And isn't it awesome to find a concealer that is not dry, that is very hydrating, but can also give you a lot of coverage? Well, this Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Medium Tan Sand has been amazing, especially for these days when it's so hot and I don't want to wear a full makeup face. I use this concealer only and then I apply a little bit of setting powder because it covers my dark circles so well that I don't need to add any other products over it. I don't usually use foundation, but with this concealer is more than enough. And if I want to go over other parts of my face that is not only dark circles, I can do so too and use it as foundation. I love that my skin doesn't look cracked or dry when I use it because again, it is really creamy and hydrating, and that's something I love about it. The size is perfect and the applicator as well. It allows me to apply the product in a very easy way and my makeup looks so flawless. It blends very well and I have never noticed it accentuating any creases. So that's something I always look for in a concealer as well. And it works well indoors or outdoors. I love how it looks on pictures. So it's definitely something you should try as well.
And that is my point of view.